The Spellcheck prop is a feature that was added to Ignition version 8.1.27. It is a prop of Boolean type that can be used to enable or disable the scan for spelling errors found on strings added to the prospective text area and text field components. The additional prop allows for these components to be more flexible with different types of inputs. For example, you can turn off the spellcheck for a text area component being used as a code editor. Or perhaps you need to send off to colleagues an unfamiliar log that you found in your designer console. Whatever string input types you have for these components, the new Spellcheck property provides additional customization to the presentation of your input text.